Hey there, I am Buff, and this is another demo of Cerebrus HUD. That's short form for heads-up display. This time we are using a better model, Llama 70B, which is like earlier we were using 8 billion parameters. Now we're using 70 billion. So hopefully it should be better. So we're going to x int y int. Interesting. Does not look that much better. Return x minus y. Then def sub x string y string return x divided by y. Let's add some types. Interesting. This is still pretty bad.